Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how I make my crunchy chin chin. And the first thing I did was to bring out my bowl, and then I added flour and baking powder, salt, and then I gave it a stir using my whisk. Then I added sugar. I used granulated sugar. Then I mixed it again. Then I added margarine. And if you don't have margarine, you can also use unsalted butter. Then I mixed it together until it was well mixed or well combined. Then I added nutmeg. I used the seed nutmeg, so I just grated it. Then I added my egg and milk. I used whole milk. You can also use evaporated milk, whichever one works for you. Then I mixed together and I added water and give it another mix until I was able to form a dough with it. You do not need to knead the dough too much, just mix it until it is well combined. Then I dusted my chopping board with flour, and then I'm about to start cutting my chin chin. So the first thing I did was to dust my rolling pin with flour, and then I rolled out my dough. I made sure it wasn't too thick because as a result of the baking powder we added, it was still gonna rise when we start frying. So I just made sure it wasn't too thin and not too thick. So I decided to try out two different shapes for my chin chin. So this is the first one. I got this pastry cutter on Amazon. So it made it easier and faster to cut and to make it thin like I wanted. Then I used this one that is just the single mouth pastry cutter to cut it. So this is me just separating it. Alright, so this is the first shape. It's supposed to come out in like this, I call it the Indomie shape or the Indomie form. So I just like it this way. And this is me trying to roll out the dough for the second shape. I think this is the most common shape of chin chin. So yeah, so this is the second shape. It's more like a square kind of shape. And this is me just trying to separate the chin chin. So I used the deep fry method in frying my chin chin. So now it's ready to be fried. So I used a tester to first test the oil to be sure it's ready. The oil has to be very hot before I can fry my chin chin. So as you can see, the oil is ready. So it's just to fry the chin chin. So I just added the rest, and I think I fried this for about, although I did it in batches, so I think I did it for about 5 minutes till I got the desired color. That's the golden brown. It doesn't really need to be that dark brown. Yeah, I was just checking to be sure if I had gotten my desired color, and this is the color that I want for my chin chin. So I just used my frying spoon to take the chin chin out of the oil. And then I fried the second shape of chin chin. I remember what I said about the baking powder making the chin chin to double in size when you fry. Yeah, that happened here. And then I took it out of the oil. And then a chin chin is ready. Trust me, if you try this recipe, you will never buy chin chin outside again. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And thank you again for watching. Bye.